am cutting some things on my Cricut Air, and I thought I would show you what I'm cutting. I'm still not sure on how everything works, but I do like the way it cuts, and I use my iPad to do it. I'm supposed to cut 3 mats, but I'm only cutting this one. So I'm cutting leaves right now. We will see exactly how well it works. Like, I put separate paper on. I'm not good at that whole trying to adjust. I still, I just got it, so I'm still learning how everything works, and the only way to learn is by using. So I'm using it, and there, it's cut some things, but I'm not exactly sure how well it's cut. So now, I don't know if you can see that. This says to load the next mat, but I'm not loading another mat because I only wanted to, and this says to unload right there. I only wanted to print out or cut out a few leaves, and as you can see, the tops of them got cut off, and then because I added a different color paper, I have paper that is going to be two-tone leaf, and then nothing on this page here. So I'm still trying to figure out all the bumps and the whatnot with it, but that is what I'm doing right now. And I did cut out some stuff that I put in my design space, which I can show you that, but it's, it's not by any means going to be a tutorial. But here, let's go to my projects. I have 20 in. Here's my design space. I made a gingerbread man, and for whatever reason, there is this square that's in there, and it won't go away until I design, and then I can pull it out when I go into, like, here's gingerbread men. Let's see, I'll show you those. So it has all of those. There's an acorn, autumn, everything that I've done. So now I would have to go down here where it says customize, and I can customize it just to, now it says I have a project already, and I'm going to replace it. So here is my gingerbread man that I took apart. Now, he is not free for me, but I already have him on one of my cartridges that I'm going to sync. But I designed him, and I'm going to make him for one of my next projects. So once I sync my cartridge, if it then will allow me to use this, I hope, but I'm not sure. Sorry about the lighting. But then if I go back to my projects, here's one, and let's say make it now. I want to replace. Okay, there's a print image in that one, which is the pine cone. You're supposed to print and cut, which I'm not connected to my computer, so I can't print and cut. But we have, these are all my downloads or my projects I put in design space. So I've been playing around. Here's a coffee cup. I've been playing around trying to design stuff. This is supposed to be a spider with a witch hat on. And then here is an owl that I took apart. So yeah, I've been working on designing stuff, but I'm not real good at using it yet. So I've been watching videos and learning, and hopefully I'll be able to do more with it. But I just wanted to show you what I've learned so far. And for anyone who is thinking about getting a Cricut Air and the Explorer Air, you should get it. It is awesome. And I'm not very computer savvy, but I can use it on my iPad, no problem. So yeah, it was a happy birthday for me. There's a Christmas tree I put in Design Space. I use this pumpkin. I've cut those out. Actually, I've cut out several shapes of that pumpkin. Here's one. Here's one with the bottom cut off. That's because I'm not great at figuring out the position yet of where I'm putting the paper. But yeah, so I've cut out several different things, and I think it's fun. So if it's something that you can afford and you're thinking about getting, and you know, I'm going to try and cut material because I have a sewing machine. I want to cut out shapes and sew them and make things like that. This would be something for someone who does that stuff, wants to make, you know, ornaments and wants to do country style, wants to, this would really be, then you wouldn't have to cut them out by hand. You could cut it out on the machine. It's really great. So after only having it since the 18th, which was my birthday, that's what I've learned to do. And I just thought I'd share. Thanks for watching.